Today we'll be learning about the genre narrative nonfiction. A narrative nonfiction gives facts about real people and events. I can tell that A Life in the Woods is a narrative nonfiction. It gives facts about a real person, Henry David Thoreau, using primary and secondary sources. A narrative nonfiction also tells about events in the sequence that they happened. A Life in the Woods also tells about events in Thoreau's life at Walden Pond in the order that they happened. Lastly, a narrative nonfiction may include primary and secondary sources. A secondary source retells or interprets information from a primary source. A primary source provides first-hand information about a topic. Autobiographies, journals, and letters are examples. At the bottom of page 52, you will see how the writer used a primary source in the text. You can also see in the first paragraph, underneath the heading on Walden Pond, how the writer used a secondary source in his text. Can you figure out the secondary source? Look at the text. The primary source is the paragraph at the bottom because this is what Thoreau wrote in his personal journal. The first paragraph is the secondary source because it retells or interprets information from the primary source. Notice how it's telling how Thoreau was a naturalist. He noticed the habits of animals, and each encounter showed him something new. Here is a closing question. How is the story Camping with the President a narrative nonfiction?